Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the star washers that you can use on your exhaust. You have to change them every time you drop your exhaust, so you need 8 of them. So let's talk about what your options are. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Well, this morning let's talk about your options for star washers, and here we are. This is a one-time star washer. Now here you see the one-time star washer, in the middle is a lock washer, and then a stainless steel lock washer. And they range in price from 6 cents for the one-time use to 25 cents for the stainless steel. You might get 2 or 3 uses out of the standard one. You might get 4 or 5 out of the stainless steel. Depends on how much you want to stretch and take a chance that you'll lose that star washer tension, and then you'll lose that nut on that exhaust. So that's why we use a lot of the one-use, one-time star washers. We put them on and then we're done with it. Now, again, the multi-use ones, they're made out of spring steel. They're CAD plated, and they do a really good job of transferring the load all the way up to the flange where it hooks on the cylinder, so you get a good firm grip, and that keeps the nut from saying, because it'll want to cut into the nut when it unwraps. And again, because it's CAD plated, made out of the steel it will take the heat one time. It might take the heat for another year, but if you leave it on there and you don't take it off for like 3 or 4 years, when you take it off, you're going to be replacing it. It's just not going to hold up. And then the other variant that you have on that lock washer is you have the stainless steel version. And the stainless steel version can take the heat quite a bit better than the normal steel. But again, you're pushing it at 4 or 5 uses. It's going to be up to you, the owner operator, to decide how frugal you want to be with your money on your star washers. But they are nice to have. The one-time use is what we carry, but we do carry the other ones in the shop. Here are the stainless steel ones. You can buy them in bags of many, or you can just count on the shop having them. We don't ever run out. We keep plenty of them in stock. But they are nice to have. You decide how you want to do them on your airplane. We get airplanes with all varieties, and we'll put whatever you want on your airplane. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this information useful and informative about the star washers that you can use on your exhaust on your aircraft. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I would throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.